Oh, bugger. Wait a sec again. Bloody wait a second. I'm going to roll a bloody cigarette. See? There it is. And I do. I need it. I need my space. In your face. I need my space. Can you trace that? Down through the DNA sequences? The strands which spin around and come back and plant a kiss upon your lips of mutation. uh, this, I've got to do it. This is a thing update. This is a really special thing update. I've got to put my teeth back in. Light my cigarette too. Here we go. Hey, I can smoke without my teeth being in. Anyway, here we go. All right. Now we get to it. This is a panic button public announcement. Zervos, beware, for I am the plague carrier of fear. Better bring a pedestrian crossing lady with a stop sign in her hand to hold me back. Although that's not going to stop me. Anyway, I shall crush you like a truckie driving a road train on ice. Then I'll paint you into the canvas. After that, I'll recreate the classic Beatles album cover, Abbey Road, by walking over your bones, thus bringing this bout to an end and turning you, yes you, into a zebra crossing. There you go. I'll do that without the glasses on.